Since the law's enactment, every president, Republican and Democrat, has embraced it, except Trump. He, in contrast, is trying to end the temporary protected status of hundreds of thousands of immigrants. And on Thursday, the High Court gave him the tools to do it. In a 6-3 ruling that could upend the lives of over 350,000 people, the Supreme Court just gave the Trump administration the green light to strip temporary protected status from Haitians and Syrians living in the U.S., writing for the conservative majority. Justice Samuel Alito said judges had overstepped their authority by second-guessing the administration, noting the law expressly restricts courts from reviewing Department of Homeland Security decisions to terminate or extend TPS. Alito wrote that under the TPS law, the president has unreviewable authority to end the program without intervention from the courts. The court also rejected claims that ending protections for Haitians was discriminatory, with Alito arguing that statements cited by plaintiffs, including Trump baselessly accusing Haitians of eating people's pets, were not overtly racial and could rest on race-neutral justifications. Justices Sotomayor, Kagan, and Jackson dissented, with Kagan calling Trump's past remarks about Haiti repellent and racially inflected. There are more than a dozen countries that have been designated with TPS, including the two in this case. Haiti has about 330,000 to 350,000 displaced persons living legally in the U.S., and Syria has roughly 3,800 to 6,100. The U.S. State Department currently warns Americans in the strongest terms not to go to these countries because of the dangers of crime, terrorism, kidnapping, unrest, and limited health care, stating that no part of Syria is safe and that Haiti has been under a state of emergency since March 2024. The court's decision means that the president can end the protected status of Haitians and Syrians without the possibility of judicial review. Migrants living legally in the U.S. from those countries will likely revert to illegal status, meaning they will lose their jobs and face deportation, with many of them forced to leave their American-born children behind. Lead counsel Jeff Pipoli and Andy Tober warned the ruling will directly result in thousands of innocent people dying violent, needless deaths, while Syrian TPS holder Dalia Doe called it a devastating blow that brings the fear of separation from our families. The Nazi-accused Derek Johnson called it a devastating betrayal of Haitian families, saying the court gave the green light to deport over 350,000 people. TPS has protected Haitians since the 2010 earthquake and Syrians since the 2012 civil war, giving recipients legal status and work authorization. The Trump administration had attempted to strip TPS from 13 of the 17 countries that had it before the second term began. As for the remaining 4 countries that still have TPS: El Salvador, Lebanon, Sudan, and Ukraine, they may well lose their TPS when they come up for renewal this fall. Last year, the court allowed the administration to revoke TPS for 600,000 Venezuelans, which Solicitor General D. John Sauer said set the precedent applied here.